Earth's mysterious layers, a journey to the core. Imagine you're an explorer, not of distant lands, but of the Earth itself. Today, we're going on an incredible journey, diving deep beneath our feet to uncover the hidden secrets of our planet's structure. So fasten your seatbelts because we're heading to the very core of the Earth. 1. The crust, Earth's outer skin. Let's start with the part we all know and love, the crust. The Earth's crust is like the shell of an egg, thin, fragile, and floating on a vast dynamic interior. It's only about 5 to 70 kilometers thick, which is nothing compared to the layers beneath it. This is where we live, where continents drift, and where mountains rise. But did you know? Beneath the oceans, the crust is much thinner, while under the continents, it's much thicker. The crust is made up of tectonic plates, constantly moving, crashing, and pulling apart, shaping the world as we know it. Imagine you're standing on a huge puzzle piece that's always shifting. That's the crust in action. 2. The mantle, the engine of the Earth. Now, let's dig deeper. Welcome to the mantle. This layer makes up nearly 84% of the Earth's volume. The mantle isn't completely solid. It's more like thick, slow-moving lava. It has two parts. The upper mantle. This region is partially molten, allowing tectonic plates to slide over it. The lower mantle, much hotter and under immense pressure, yet still solid due to the weight of the layers above. It's here that hot rock slowly rises and cooler rock sinks, a process called convection. This movement is what drives earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and even the movement of continents. Think of it as a giant lava lamp constantly churning beneath our feet. F3, the outer core, a sea of liquid metal. Now we reach a truly fascinating place, the outer core. This layer is a swirling ocean of liquid iron and nickel, flowing at thousands of kilometers per hour. But why is it important? Because this movement generates Earth's magnetic field. Without it, we wouldn't be protected from dangerous solar radiation, and compasses wouldn't work. Picture a gigantic spinning ball of molten metal beneath you, creating the invisible shield that makes life on Earth possible. 4. The inner core, the heart of the Earth. Finally, we arrive at the very center, the inner core. At 5,200 degrees Celsius, 9,400 degrees Fahrenheit, it's just as hot as the surface of the sun. But unlike the outer core, this layer is solid. Why? Because the immense pressure keeps it tightly packed, preventing it from melting. Scientists believe that the inner core is growing very slowly as the outer core cools over millions of years. Could it be the heartbeat of our planet? Imagine a solid metal sphere, deep inside the Earth, pulsing with the energy that has kept our planet alive for billions of years. So, there you have it. Our Earth isn't just a rock floating in space. It's a dynamic, living system, constantly changing and shaping the world around us. Next time you feel the ground beneath your feet, remember, there's an entire hidden world deep inside, working tirelessly to keep our planet alive.